Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to cancel Netflix auto payment. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The very first step that we'll do is to open our web browser because we'll use the web version of Netflix, not the official app. Now in your web browser, you want to go to netflix.com, which is the official website, and make sure you are logged into your Netflix account and select your profile. Now when you log in, you'll get to this home page. The next step in order to cancel the auto payment is to tap on these three horizontal lines at the top left of the screen, and the side menu will pop up with a bunch of options. Now select the account option. We will get to this page where we'll see a couple of different options related to our Netflix account. Now keep in mind that we don't have a dedicated option or setting to cancel the auto payment on Netflix, but there are two different methods or two different solutions to this problem. I'm going to show them to you, so just follow my steps. The first step that we can do is to change the billing day if you want to stop getting charged on that particular day. For example, if your billing day is set to every first day of the month and you don't want Netflix to automatically charge you on that particular day, you can change the billing day, and we'll click here right under this billing details button. So we'll get to this page where we can change the specific day on when Netflix is going to charge us for their services. As you can see, mine is set to the 4th of each month, but if you want to change that, simply select a date on this list on which you would like to be charged. I'll set this to the last day of every month because it's convenient for me. When you select a day, tap on the review and confirm button, and that will apply our changes. The another thing which you can do to cancel the auto payment is to cancel our Netflix membership. When I click on that button, it's going to cancel our membership after this month, and it will not charge you until the next month when you go ahead and resume your membership. As you can see, it says here that the cancellation will be effective at the end of your current billing period. We can come back at any time, and if we resume within 10 months, everything will be waiting for us, including our profiles, viewing preferences, and all that other stuff. So you can tap on Finish Cancellation and then resume the membership next month. After this month ends, you will not be charged at all. It's not going to delete your account or anything, and you can simply resume where you left off within a 10-month period. So those are the two methods on how you can cancel the auto payment on Netflix. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.